Afternoon, ladies and gents, and we're in the churchyard of Barking, St Margaret's of Antioch, and you're looking at this little grid thing which goes down into what I have shown before when I first started my page, the Bone-chute. Flash off. That goes down into the Bone-chute, which was part of the Crypt. Crypt was re-utilised in late Victorian times for a boiler area, and that's where the boiler is now. But in the what was known as the taking up time, when the churchyard became full, which was about every 100 years or so, what they'd do, all the poor people graves, or the old graves that weren't being attended to, they'd dig up the bones and they'd be put down this Bone-chute and then carried through into the ossuary, which was part of the old crypt. The big part, well, it's not massive, the part of the crypt with the bones in is now bricked off and inaccessible because they're never going to put more bones in it, and the boiler area has been reused now. So what we're going to go and see in a minute is inside the church and what remains of the crypt, and you'll see where the old entrance was. It wasn't a very big crypt anyway, from what I've been told, but yeah, inside it, all it is now is a stone room with a great big stone box in it, and I mean big, literally full of bones, and there are some cremated cremated remains from later times in there as well. So yeah, we're going to go inside now and have a look at the old crypt and Bone-chute from the inside. Join me in there. Hello again, guys and girls, and we're inside the church now, and we're going to have a look at what was the crypt, or part of it, which was re-utilised in Victorian times for a boiler area. But this is where the Bone-chute is, down there. Oh God, it smells like dead hamsters. Ouch. Vicious swine. Carefully. Oh. Here where you see used to go right underneath into the crypt, which was bricked off many years ago. But here is the Bone-chute, and at the taking up time, when the bones were due to, well, they needed room in the churchyard, they'd dig up bones and put them down the Bone-chute, and they'd be carried through off into the ossuary. Oh, it reeks down here. I think there's something died down here. There we are. Oh, that's that morbid little curio done. Oh dear. And what you're looking at here is the Tomb of William Pownsett, who was the last steward of Barking Abbey. Oh. And he died in 1553. After the Reformation. Must have been very well thought of, because this tomb was repaired at the expense of All Souls College in Oxford, Anno Domini 1784. Sorry about my out-of-breath unfitness there. Right. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Bone-chute and the old crypt and the Tomb of William Pownsett. Hope you all found that interesting. Take care and thank you for watching.